How to add a new video layer in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and head over to the Edit tab where your timeline is displayed. You should see your current video clips already placed on the timeline. Now, to add a new video layer, simply right-click on the timeline area where your video track is. From the menu that appears, choose Add Track. This will create a new empty video layer above your current one. Next, if you want to add a clip to this new layer, just drag any video clip from the media pool and drop it directly onto the new video track. This is helpful if you are adding overlays, cutaways, or effects like picture-in-picture. If you are working with multiple layers, it's also useful to rename the tracks for better organization. Just click on the track header and rename the track. You can stack as many video layers as your project needs, and DaVinci Resolve will render them in order from top to bottom. So make sure your most visible clips are placed on the highest track. And that's it. Now you know how to add a new video layer in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.